Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your VIVO iQOO Neo 7. So first, what we want to do is check the volume levels. So hold the the volume up button. Now click on this arrow here and make sure that everything is at least more than 50%. Now what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So here we have a speaker grill, for example. Now use a soft brush and don't use anything metallic. And make sure to disable the Bluetooth to make sure that the audio isn't rerouted. So go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and make sure that the Bluetooth here is gray and not blue. So now what you guys can do is basically update the software if nothing else helped. So go over to settings. Now here we need to scroll down until we show you the system management and upgrade. Now click on system update and it will check for updates automatically after you connect to a Wi-Fi network. So as you guys can see, I have the latest version of the system, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.